Flood hits Nigeria. At least 7 people have been killed and hundreds have lost their houses as severe flooding has hit Jigawa State in northern Nigeria. Wide areas of farmland and crops have also been destroyed. In a statement made on the 4th of August, the governor of Jigawa State offered his condolences and said the flood was caused by torrential rainfall that lasted for over 30 hours. The causes of flooding in Nigeria are often anthropogenic. They are generally worsened by the improper interactions between human systems and the natural environment. If you want to check out a video I made on Thai flood management techniques, go check it out. You've been watching Disaster Relay. Like and subscribe for more.